Yep, guys, FedEx just arrived. It just arrived.
Come here.
Guys, it's here. It's here. It's finally here.
Is that it? Send a picture to Papa.
It's here.
That's a package for me.
Nope. It's here. Guys, it's here. It's finally here. Let me go get my other stuff and I will see you guys in a minute. Guys, I think it's here. Let's unbox it and see if it is. Oh! Guys, it's here. It's here. It's here. Ah! I gotta go show my mom. Mom, it's here. It's here in all its glory. The iPhone 10. iPhone X or 10, doesn't matter really, but we're gonna go unbox this right now. I've been waiting for this forever. Okay, ready? Oh, shoot, I dropped it. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's the designed in Apple. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Just want to make sure I don't get my smudgy fingers all over. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's here. It's here. Okay, that's the iPhone. So you got your AirPods as usual with your little dongle like for your other earbuds. We got the charging cable and our power brick. We're gonna turn it on. Oh, it's so cool. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to get, but let's unbox some of the other stuff. So we got 2 silicone cases. I got my AirPods. Oh, it's saying hello. Hello. My AirPods and my screen protector. So we'll probably put that on right now. So we don't break it. It comes in a little cool thing that you can put it in and it will like we're going. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to take this little cloth. We're gonna wipe it down. Dust removal sticker. Okay. We'll put the iPhone in its little thing. Okay, we'll wipe it off again. Okay. We're gonna take off number 1. There we go. Put it on. There, like that. There we go. It's a little easy screen. Now we will set this up. Set up on. We'll go on Devin Orby. We'll put all the trash away. We're going to take this. We're gonna put the white case on. Oh. We'll have to. It's taking a few minutes to. Okay, there we go. That's nope. Can't show you that. Can't show you that because otherwise you guys will know my phone number and I can't show you that. I'll be back. I have to do some other stuff. Okay guys, it's all set up. We just need to do facial recognition, so we'll continue. I've seen people do this, so. Okay. There we go. Face ID is now set up. Set up my password. With the knife. You know, we'll just do a fresh start. I have to change the phone number on this. So I got a new phone number. Alrighty, so now I just gotta go to my computer, so we will come with me. I have to set it up on there. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's really cool. Gotta go to my computer. Something smells good. Okay. Okay. Oh shoot. It recognized my face. Okay. I gotta do other stuff. Okay. Okay. Keep it like that. There we go. Done. Okay, now we will. Oh, it's setting up. Okay, I agree. I can send in emojis. Oh, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna let my mom feel it and use it and stuff. Because she is the one who gets stuff for me, so. Hey Mom, you wanna hold my phone because you got it for me?
That's pretty cool. Where's your power button?
There's no home button. You slide up now. It's mostly screen. Here, feel that in your phone. My mom has the 8, so look at the camera. Look at the back of the camera.
Cool beans.
It has dual camera, Face ID, and emoji. And emoji.
And emoji. Where's the case?
This is the case.
Okay.
Yep, works fine. Okay. So, as soon as this is done setting up, I'm gonna switch over to the phone camera to show you what it's like. While we're waiting for the phone to set up, I might as well show you my other accessories. So right now, I'm using the white case, and I'm using a Belkin screen protector. Okay, so I'm using a Belkin screen protector with a Apple silicone case. I have another Apple silicone case. Wait, I already opened that when I came. Here it is, it's red. So I got red and white. Okay, express settings, I will continue. Yeah, so we're probably just gonna throw away all the trash. This is all the trash so far. And we might as well put everything away. Set up in wallet later. I think it goes there. But anyways, we might as well continue. We'll continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Continue. True tone is awful without true tone. There we go. True tone. Continue, continue, continue. We'll swipe up. Oh, it's all completed. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna text my mom. Oh. Well, first I have to get everything backed up onto this phone. Yeah, so I gotta go charge this phone. But right now we're gonna put in all of our stuff that's useful in here. And cloth. We'll put this in there, put that there. We'll put this there. And yeah, everyone, it's set up. So I'm gonna get some apps. I'll get some apps in a little bit. But I'll show you some of the new features. So one of the new features I noticed is that the home button is bigger, if you want to see it with the case off. So you can see that the home button is bigger. It's too shiny, so it won't show on here. I got the silver 256 edition because I always use a lot of space. So we'll get down to YouTube, Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Spotify, Netflix, Bitmoji, Gmail, Amazon. We'll have to probably get that stuff. We'll get the Twitter. We'll get the Alexa app. We'll get Venmo. Can you use Face ID? How do I install? Oh, there. That's how we install. Okay, we got Venmo. These are all the apps I basically need. Venmo. No, not Google. No. Not YouTube Music. We're fine. Ooh, Starbucks, Google Classroom, because I still have some classroom stuff I need to do. Dropbox, Skype. We'll get the Fitbit app, just in case. Hangouts. These are all the... these are some stuff I need and I'm getting. What's it called? TBH Nest, because of my cameras. Downloaded a lot of apps already. Oh. Snap. Facebook. Instagram. Twitter. We'll put YouTube at the front, because I like YouTube. We got all the stuff we basically need, and I think that's gonna end this vlog. A little vlog and unboxing of the iPhone X. Actually, no, first. Okay, we gotta do right, okay. There we go, connect my AirPods. I'm gonna look at the red case on. I think I'm gonna stick with white though. It recognizes my face. Connect. We're connecting the AirPods. Done. There we go. We're gonna put the red case on. It looks pretty cool. But right now, I'm just gonna stick with the white case. And if I want to switch later on, I can. Okay. So, you recognize my face? Yep, this is much better than Android's. It's so much better. They're called Dovin's AirPods. Dovin. Oh, yes, I put Dovin instead of that. Okay, we're gonna get Snap. But first, I need to download the Verizon and stuff because I need to get my contacts. Verizon. And download my cloud. We'll get okay. Okay. Yeah, so I got all the apps I really need so far. There we go. It recognized my face. So. Done. Okay, now we will go on Instagram. Okay. There. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, actually guys, that's gonna do it for how do I screenshot? Okay, I know how to screenshot now, but how do I? Okay, so you hold the power button to do Siri. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, like, do that. But I just said like, share the video, do everything, you know, just do it all. And yeah, follow me on my social, which are probably most likely in the description. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Peace out. Almost dropped the camera there. Peace out.